Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 22. Sorry that it's been a little while since I posted just because I've been doing stuff for basketball lots and other things. But today we're going to get back at it. We're still only at $120, but we will be doing quite a bit of sanding, getting this river table ready. Also, sanding those legs, sanding off, and putting a coat of polyurethane on the backs of the two other side tables. And then we would also be starting bench legs if we get time today as well. So thanks for watching. And the reason I'm kind of doing this is to, I don't know, push myself to see if I can just make money just by myself, not having to rely on a employer, and be disciplined to myself to keep doing this. That's one of the reasons I created the YouTube channel, actually, was to have kind of people that I to kind of help me keep going here. But yeah, which has been doing pretty well, the YouTube channel too. I think you guys are up to like 260 subscribers. But yeah, here we go. Hey everyone, so that's going to be the end of day 22. We got done a lot of sanding, and we also got done 2 coats of epoxy. It's going a little bit slow right now. I need to get really selling some stuff because I got some stuff done, but I just need to sell it. But if you guys have any ideas, I got lots of scraps like this sort of stuff. If If you guys have any ideas of what I could do with it, possibly, let me know in the comments. Other ways I could maybe make some money off of it. I don't know if it's quite good enough stuff for firewood. It is a little small, but maybe I can make some other little things with it. We also have lots of these kinds of scraps. I could probably use these for other table legs though, if I need to in the future. But anyways, thanks for watching and please subscribe. See ya.